spy with our little eyes your baby's first tooth. There's only one thing more adorable than a baby, a teething baby. Their soft and chubby faces earn a few brownie points as soon as they get decorated with some tiny white pearls. Well, there is no debate as to how adorable babies look when they start teething. But the process of teething is not all fun and games. You and your baby have to wander down the roads of tears, frustration, and huge amounts of crankiness. Teething is one of the many milestones that your baby reaches during his or her babyhood. In fact, teething is one of the important ones. You just got some relief from the painstaking process of getting up multiple times at night because a baby turned 4 or 5 months old. But this is the same time he or she starts teething, hinting towards the comeback of this process. However, you will be over the moon to know that you can handle this time in your baby's life like a warrior. We have for you some marvelous tips and tricks to help yourself and your baby. The typical and the atypical. The typical teething age for babies. Babies start teething at around 4 to 6 or 7 months of age. Although, do not get worried if your little one is not showing signs of teething till 9 months, as the timeline for babies' teething is quite broad. The first 2 teeth to grace a baby's jaw are either the low central incisors, that is, teeth in the bottom front, or the upper central incisors, that is, teeth in the upper front. Your tiny angel will get his or her first set of teeth by the time he or she is 3 years old. Did you know that some babies are born with a tooth or 2, but that is extremely rare? The typical symptoms experienced by babies during teething. There would be many noticeable symptoms when your baby is making their way towards an amazing set of teeth. Some of these symptoms include your baby drooling excessively, is taking every object in sight into his or her mouth, is creating a fuss and is cranky, his or her temperature is increasing but not till the limit of fever, and his or her gums are sore. The atypical symptoms experienced by babies during teething. If your baby is experiencing any symptoms like diarrhea and high fever, know that it is time for a quick tour to a doctor. These symptoms are not standard and may indicate a health problem. A baby's rectal temperature is also a sign of his or her well-being, where a temperature more than 38 degrees Celsius or 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit can indicate trouble. Typical yet effective remedies for your baby's little teeth. You have to try many methods and use different permutations and combinations to relieve and impress your baby throughout their babyhood. The personality and physiology of every baby are as diverse as adults. It is not necessary that the soothing methods that suit another baby can soothe your baby as well. Let us start with some of the general tips. Cool things down. Using cold products like cool spoons, refrigerated but not frozen, cold and clean clothes, again refrigerated not frozen, cold pacifier, teething rings, and toys that are cool and filled with solid material. Some researchers recommend against using cold teething rings and toys as their temperature might be too low and harsh on the baby's sensitive gums. So, make your choice wisely. And oh, do not forget to thoroughly wash the refrigerated clothes, spoons and toys after each use. Rubbing the pain away. Try to slowly and gently massage your little one's jaw with your clean fingers. You can also use a moistened gaze pad or your knuckles. Be as gentle as you can and wash your hands before and afterwards. This process can help to soothe the pain and irritation in your angel's jaw. No problem the right cookie cannot solve. There are unsweetened crackers or biscuits made especially for a teething baby. You can get your baby these crackers to calm some of the unrest in their jaws. Do not leave your baby unattended with these crackers though. The baby might break a big chunk of a cracker and accidentally choke on it. Oh boy, babies and leaving them alone will never go together. Prevent your baby from biting you. When babies start teething, there is a high probability of them biting your nipples while breastfeeding. To prevent this, you can let him or her gnaw on your fingers for a while, or just dip your fingers in cold water and massage his or her jaw. If your baby's age is above 6 months, you can also feed him or her chilled water with the help of a sipper. Some methods you should maintain a distance from. You might receive many suggestions from various places on how to take care of your teething baby. Some of these methods might even be tempting to try, but do not give in before getting some facts right. Nature might not be your friend here. Many people like choosing homeopathic medicines as they have significantly fewer side effects. However, homeopathic medicines that claim to provide relief to your baby's gums can actually be fatal to his or her life. These remedies may contain amounts of belladonna, a toxic substance that can lead to seizures and breathing discomfort in your angel. Over the counter? Not a great option. The research on topical gels and teething tablets for babies is inefficient to date. Topical gels can include harmful substances like benzocaine that can numb the baby's pain but deteriorate his or her health. Stray your boat away from accessories for pain relief. Some people use products like amber teething necklaces to cure their baby of teething pain and irritations. You should decide against such accessories as they might choke or hurt your baby in your absence. However, if you are approving of such accessories, put them in your baby's hand instead of trying them around their neck. Dear parents, we hope we took some stress off your shoulders so that you can peacefully enjoy your baby's teething milestone. We love to provide you with content that makes your parenthood a joyride and intend to keep doing that. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos and subscribe to our channel.